Hi there and welcome back to Belleville Toyota. I'm Bronwyn and thank you so much for coming back for another video on this channel. Today I will be showing you how to turn off your lane centering feature, which is responsible for tracking the center of the lane while dynamic radar cruise control is on and activated. When drivers are not familiar with this feature, it may seem as if the steering is tight or maybe a little jerky while using cruise control. This is because the lane centering is part of your lane tracing assist and actively tracks yellow and white road lines and even sometimes preceding vehicles to determine the center of the lane and to make short and quick steering adjustments to help you stay in the middle of the lane. This feature exclusively engages when you are using dynamic radar cruise control. We also have a video on our channel for that if you need a quick tutorial on how to operate that function. Please note that while lane departure alert is pretty much standard on all Toyota vehicles, the enhanced version, which is labeled lane tracing assist, which is the one that has the lane centering feature, appears on only select models and may therefore not be applicable to your Toyota. Let's get started. You should notice this icon on your steering wheel. When we activate this button, you will notice the white icons appear on your multi-information display. This is the lane tracing assist feature. Let's go into the more detailed settings of this safety feature. For reference, I'm in a 2021 Corolla Hybrid. So using the arrows on your steering wheel, press the right arrow until you arrive at the settings icon. In certain vehicles with vertical menu column, you will press the down arrow, assuming you have started on your main information screen. Once you have reached the settings gear icon, you can locate the LTA option. Click and hold the OK button on your steering wheel to select LTA. You should see something like this. Now, I have everything turned on, as you'll notice. For those with lane departure alert only, you will have access to all of the adjustments except for lane center. This is the feature we are going to turn off. Your lane tracing will only be active if your steering assist and lane centering is turned on. Therefore, with lane centering off, you will still have the audible and visible alerts when you unintentionally drift out of your lane, as well as the steering assist, but without the extra quick steering movements when you are using dynamic radar cruise control. In order to turn lane center off, use the OK button on your steering wheel and press it once. It should now say off instead of on. Use your back arrow to get out of that menu, and then rotate back to your main screen using the arrows on your steering wheel. You will notice that you still have the white icons for your lane tracing assist on. Please note that if you don't like the steering assist or the sway warning, you can always turn those off in the settings and click your LTA button on your steering wheel to ensure the icons on your multi-information display are turned off as well. You can reactivate these at any time. And that is how to turn off the lane centering feature of your lane tracing assist so you are not feeling the steering corrections being made while using the dynamic radar cruise control. I hope you found this video useful on how to turn off these features to make for a more seamless and comfortable driving experience for you. As always, if you have any questions, be sure to leave them down below. I'm Bronwyn from Belleville Toyota. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.